Hi, this is needlepointers.com. This summer I've been trying to figure out how to engage our 4-H members in some projects virtually since we're not allowed to meet in person this summer. I came across some pipe cleaner crafts and I've made quite a few here, and they're from different articles on the internet from different people. I thought these would be fun to do because they would be easy to show how the kids how to do them over the video chat, and they would be able to be at home and make them themselves. And these would be probably a good craft for, even as young as 5 years old if they have some parental help, up to, in their teens. So what I have here is a crab and some fish, butterflies, a couple turtles, a bumblebee, and some flowers. And the flowers are rings, so the kids can wear them. And the butterflies are also rings, so they can be worn. Close up of the fish. I think the crab is so cute. We're in Maryland, so crabs are relevant to Maryland. And these are the little turtles. And I forgot to show you, this one is supposed to be a pig. I know he's not pink, he's red. But when I was first making these, I didn't have any pink pipe cleaners, so I just made him out of red. So all of these pipe cleaner animals are made using tutorials from different bloggers on the internet. And if you're interested in learning how to make any of these, please click the link in the description of the video, and it will take you to our website, needlepointers.com, where we'll have a list of all of these crafts, plus a bunch of other pipe cleaner crafts that kids can make. So for all of these, the main things that you need are some pipe cleaners, googly eyes, and I have this pack that has different sizes. Some of the animals, not the ones I created, also require some little black beaded eyes. So I have this thing of beads. You don't need all of these. You could just get a small pack of black beads. And some of them, like this, the pig, ask for you to put a pom-pom and you wrap the pipe cleaner around the pom-pom. So there's a, if I can show you, you can see there's a pom-pom inside there. So, but they're a fun little craft to make, and I'm not going to show you how to make them here because all these bloggers, they put a lot of time into making their posts about how to make these cute little animals, and I need to support them also. And if you can go to their websites, that would be great, and look, make some of these animals. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this craft, and maybe your kids would love to do it and spend some time the end of this summer trying, keeping busy making some fun pipe cleaner animals. Please like, share, and comment on our videos. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss future videos. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Don't forget to pin our projects so you can come back to them when you're ready to make them.